So today we've got a new product for you. I'm going to show you the unboxing, the fitting. Basically it's the T6.1 lower splitter standard bumpers. So the split comes in 3 parts. You get a fitting kit included, screws, washers, things like that. We'll show you now how to screw the splitter together. So you get screws with the splitter, you get the silver ones to bolt the splitter together, like so, go from the bottom, and then the darker coloured ones are for your holes for bolting it to the actual bumper itself. While holding it on, a bit fiddly sometimes, do need a couple of you. Bit of masking tape, loop it over, so when you're offering up the bumper or the splitter, you can go down and tape it around to give you a bit more help. The tools you need for the job, nice and easy: Phillips screwdriver, impact driver with a Phillips in, masking tape, and that is it. So the holes in the splitter are pre-drilled, so you know it's easy to know where to go. Obviously look behind, make sure there's nothing behind that you're not going to drill into. But yeah, it's just easy as that. Easy as that. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time.